My beloved, I was with the Father in the beginning, and I, together with the Father, are one. And I saw how he formed man from the dust and breathed into his nostrils the breath of life. But it was not good for him to be alone. So the Father brought forth woman, not from the dust but from his side, that the two may be one flesh, united in purpose, love, and fellowship. Marriage is not a contract. It is not a mere joining of hands or the celebration of a day. It is a covenant, a divine mystery that reflects the unity between my spirit and my church. When a man cleaves to his wife, he is no longer two, but one with her. What my Father joins together, let not man separate. But I know your hearts. I see the pain, the betrayal, the weariness, and the longing for peace. I hear the silent cries of the wounded and the unheard voices of the broken. Some of you have asked, is it lawful to leave? You ask, may I put her away? Or, may I walk away from him? But I say to you, the hardness of your heart has brought you here. From the beginning it was not so. I gave you love as a commandment, love that is patient, love that endures, love that does not count wrongs, love that covers, that heals, and that builds. Marriage must be guarded with that kind of love. I do not take lightly the breaking of covenant. You wear vows upon your tongues, but I search the intentions of your hearts. When you promised, you did so not only before men, but before heaven. I was there. Yes, I allow mercy where there has been unfaithfulness, where trust has been shattered and hearts wounded beyond repair. But even in that, my heart is for restoration, not for vengeance. My desire is not to divide, but to redeem. Do not be like those who put away their spouse for trivial reasons, seeking their own desires, ignoring their own faults. For many justify themselves while their hearts are far from me. He who divorces for selfish gain and joins another, he commits adultery in his heart. And she who leaves without cause and joins another, she also walks in error. For you do not simply leave one person, you tear a part of your own soul. Yet I am full of grace. To those who have fallen I stretch forth my hand. I do not condemn you. Go and sin no more. Let your heart turn back to me. I will restore what was lost, and I will give you peace that the world cannot give. To the married I say, remain faithful. Submit one to another. Love as I have loved you. Let your home be my dwelling place. Forgive quickly. Serve with humility. Speak with kindness. And when it grows difficult, pray together. When you fall short, rise together. When the enemy knocks, stand together. To the single, wait upon me. Do not rush into union without me. For many have entered into marriage without counsel, without prayer, and without understanding. Seek my will above your feelings, my timing above your impatience. Marriage is a cross. It is sacrifice. But it is also a crown. It is glory when done in me. It is a fire that purifies. A garden that must be watered daily. A dance of surrender and grace. I am the third cord that holds you together. Without me, the house falls. But with me the storms may rage, and yet the house will stand. So I say to you, let your marriage reflect my love. Let your home be an altar. Let your forgiveness be without measure. And let your vows be eternal, sealed by heaven, not broken by man. I am with you, in joy and in sorrow, in plenty and in lack, in laughter and in tears. I am the bridegroom who never forsakes his bride. Return to me, build your house on the rock, and you will not be shaken. I stand at the door and knock. If you will hear my voice and open the door, I will come in and dine with you, and bless your union with peace, joy, and purpose. Come, let me be Lord over your marriage. Let me be Lord over your heart. Thank you for watching, and remember, I love you.